Magic. Ladies and gentlemen, I presenting you JC, the Magnificent.
Speak in English because I cannot understand Tagalog, okay? I shuffle the cards. I'll give you one. And the one. Look at your cards then. Patingin. Ow! 9. I'm G. I'm G. Give me 1 peso. 1 peso, okay. This call is magic. Okay, good. I'm 11. Give me 1 peso ulit. 1 peso bill. This call, this magic is called
Ano ba yun?
lucky,
SOH.
lucky ones.
Yung ganun. Ano ba yung kinakabisa?
Good. 9.
19, 17. Get right. SOH.
Good.
Get right. Get right.
Isa pa. 8. Give me 1. 1 buck. Okay, last one. You have 1 peso bill. Isa pa. Isa pa ulit. Isa pa ulit. Okay.
Talo ka.
Straight glass.
Uy, wala ka ng pera. Natalo ka.
Wala ka ng
Hindi
pera.
ka ulit, balato ka. Hindi kang balato.
That's called a magic, man. Papakitaan kita ng isang magic ulit. Later, yung ano,
Transformation.
down. Ha?
Sakit.
Say stop. Say stop, man. Say stop. Say stop.